Okay, y'all. Then we're gonna go back in with some powdered sugar. We're just gonna dust it right on top. Look at that. Beautiful, simple, and easy. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, you guys. Until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making a quick and easy dessert. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my videos with all of your family and friends. Happy holidays to you all. Let's get into this video. Just about a cup of the cinnamon sugar to a tablespoon of cinnamon, or however you want your cinnamon to be. I like my cinnamon sugar to actually be cinnamon sugar. Don't forget to order your Tishas Cre8tive cooking cinnamon butter seasoning for this recipe, you guys. Okay, and then you're gonna need some dough sheet. Okay, so to your dough sheet, you're gonna need some chocolate syrup, some caramel syrup, any kind of ice cream you want, and some strawberries. Okay, now I'm telling y'all, this is a fair warning. If you on a diet, this is really not a recipe for you. But it's the holidays. Give yourself a break. You know what I'm saying? You had a hard day. Let's go ahead and make this dessert. On a clean surface, you're going to want to cut them. That's just strawberry juice, y'all. Cut them in like little squares. Okay? Cut them in squares. It's getting hot. Once your oil get hot, drop them bad boys. Nice light color on your pastry puff, okay? Don't be having it look all burnt and stuff. Take it out when it gets nice and golden brown.
Oh shit. Tish.
You wasn't recording.
Tish.
You know what? I don't know what kind of sabotage spirit.
Hey y'all, I fucked up.
Yeah.
I forgot to record, but what she did was she did a little squirt right here and a squirt right there, and she swoop, and then a swoop.
Okay, y'all. Then we're gonna go back in with some powdered sugar. We're just gonna dust it right on top. Look at that. Beautiful, simple, and easy. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, you guys. Until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.